Hi, welcome to this workshop, Strengthening and Conditioning the Working Dog. So we always have to begin when we look at the working dog, what their specific functional job is. Like the previous shepherd, he's in there for 30 minutes. That's equivalent to an hour and a half of a workout. So working in the treadmill is equivalent to 3 times as strenuous as walking on land. And again, you could see everything that's going on here with the properties of water, the cohesion, the turbulence, the buoyancy. And you can certainly mimic this at the beach or a lake if you're near a water body. Bungee work is one of my favorite activities to do with a working dog. With the static sit, we're going to work on the posture. This is actually my puppy, who will be a working dog at one point. We want to see the hips and the stifles tucked in.